Hi, I'm Carl Danzer, representing Performance Accessories, and today we're going to talk about ScentStop. ScentStop's a great product for eliminating any of the organic odors. We've offered the 1 gallon for quite a while, but recently we just introduced the 32 ounce. Great part about 32 ounce is if you have some of the smaller jobs, you've got a little bit of smaller quantity one, which already has the sprayer built right in. So you go to the 1 gallon, you can just pour into any of your pump sprayers, something you can get at pretty much any home center hardware store. No diluting or anything like that you need to do. It's all ready to go either way for either size. And the key benefits is any of those organic odors, especially say pet urine, you can use this to treat that. And main reason why you want to treat it rather than encapsulate it with some sort of primer like a Kills or something of that sort is A, you're actually eliminating the odor. B, a lot of times those primers that encapsulate will actually void adhesive warranties, cause some issues there. The great thing about it is whether you're spraying with the sprayer bottle or the 1 gallon in the pump sprayer, you can just walk along and say you've got, you just tore out some carpet and you got your baseboard right there, you got your tack strips, you can just leave those in place and actually spray right over it. So you're not paying to tear out and then replace something which is already existing. Cost savings right there to not have to replace all that. Beauty is with the sprayer you can get right up underneath. So you actually hit all your surfaces. And when I mean all surfaces, truly all your surfaces. So your hard surfaces, soft surfaces, your baseboards, deck strips, flooring, any of those things in the house that maybe the pet lifted its leg on, say your couch, drapes, things of that sort. Anything that you would be okay with cleaning with standard water. It's a bioenzymatic, so it's actually a living organism. So that is actually going to be able to eat away the odors. You aren't just covering up. Appreciate your time. Look for our other videos out on YouTube of other Performance Accessories products. As we always say with all of our products, now that's perfect.